In this video, I will show you how to use the cosine law to deal with ambiguous cases. Given SSA in the triangle PQR, determine the number of triangles formed and find the length of PR. Let's draw this triangle. Angle P its corresponding side P, R, and its corresponding angle R. This will be Q. Here is Q. Since we are not looking for the angles, we're looking for the side of PR. We will use the cosine law. Normally use sine law to figure out the angle. Use cosine law to figure out the size for ambiguous cases. In this problem, we will use cosine law to figure out the number of the triangles and also the length of PR. We are given the angle P is 65 degree. Length R equals 50. Length of QR is 48. We will use cosine law. For the cosine law, we know c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. We will consider angle P is the included angle. So P squared equals Q squared plus R squared minus 2QR cosine P. Then we substitute the values for each variable. 48 squared equals Q squared plus 50 squared minus 2 times Q times 50 cosine 65. This is a quadratic equation. We will use polyroots. So we will change this into equal to 0 form. Cross the river, change sign. 0 equals Q squared plus 50 squared minus 2 times Q times 50 cosine 65 minus 48 squared. Let's use variable Q. Q squared plus 50 squared minus 2 times Q times 50 cosine 65 minus 48 squared. Make sure the mode is in degree. Then we go to control menu. We are looking for roots of a polynomial. I need all real roots. Control Enter. I need decimals. We are given two positive values, which means this SSA will form two triangles by polyroots. Q1 equals 5.30. Q2 equals 37.0, which means there are two triangles formed. Let's draw the other triangle. Let's label P, Q2, R2. Then we can label, since Q1 is longer than Q2, Q1 equals 37.0, Q2 equals 5.30. Then if we are looking for the difference of these two triangles area for larger triangle is 1/2 AB sin C, so 37.0 times 50 sine 65 degree. For smaller triangle, area equals 1/2 5.30 times 50 times sine 65 degree. This is 50. This is 65 degree. The difference of a triangle equals A1 minus A2 equals, let's go to calculator, 718. The difference of these two triangles area is 718. Next challenge. Given SSA in the triangle XYZ, determine the number of triangles formed and find the length of XZ. Since we are looking for the length in SSA problems, we will use the cosine law. Let's draw the triangle first. We have X. This is the lowercase x. Here's Z, 35. Lowercase x is 41. Angle x is 1.26. The angle is in radian. This is Z, and here is Y. Let's use the cosine law to set up the equation. 41 squared equals 35 squared plus, let's label this is lowercase y for the length of xz, y squared minus 2 times 35 times y cosine 1.26. This is a quadratic equation. We will use poly roots. Make the equation into equal to 0 form. 0 equals 35 squared plus y squared minus 2 times 35 times y cosine 1.26 minus 41 squared. 35 squared plus y squared minus 2 times 35 times y times cosine 1.26. Then minus 41 squared. Control menu. Find roots of polynomials. We do know the length cannot be negative. 34.6 is the value for xz. Only one triangle formed. Two negative roots. No triangle formed. by polyroots. Y equals 34.6. Let's label y equals 34.6.